Okay, so this is a video to show how if you were asked to graph a solution set on a number line or maybe later on a coordinate plane, how you could draw that on paper and then use your computer camera to capture that solution, capture your work, save it as an image, and then insert that into the written response. So the first time you'll be asked to do this will be for lesson 11, practice 2. And it's question number 2, and they're asking you to graph the solution for the following inequality. I'm not going to do this inequality, but I wanted to show you that this is the box that will appear for a free response. It's a box that you can type in, but I'm going to show you how to insert an image. So I've provided a a PowerPoint document called Number Lines. So if you want to, you can open that document, pick one of the number lines that you want to use here. Top one, there's just different ones with different numbers on them. You can copy it and put it on a new blank page and then just print this page. So if you want a clean, pretty nice number line to draw your solution on, you can just print one of these number lines or any number line that you might have. You can Google number lines. You can generate number lines using Google. There's a application that does that, but get yourself a number line and then go off and use pen and paper to draw your solution. And then when you're done, you're going to go back into the written response area and you're going to click, first I have to show you how to capture it. So you have that piece of paper and now you have to make an image of it. Okay, now I know some of you have phones and then you can use your phone, but then you have to send it to yourself in an email or load it to your computer. So this is a camera that's actually on your computer. So if you go down to your search window and type camera and open your camera, okay, then you can take your solution, your picture. Now I did two here. This is one where I printed the number line and I graphed the solution. It looks like it's backwards now, but once you take the picture, it won't look backwards. If you draw it freehand, I would try to use a ruler or a straight edge. This isn't the best, but also make sure you have a couple of numbers. Okay, so in this case, I'm graphing x is less than or equal to -4. So I want to have a -4 in my number line and then at least one number to the right and to the left of that. Okay, so at least 3 numbers on your number line if you draw it. Try to use a straight edge. So once you have your solution, you're going to open up your camera. Make sure, I'm going to try to hide myself behind it. And right over here, you'll see the camera. That's where you take the picture and you take a picture of it. So this automatically saves on your computer under pictures, and I'll show you where to get that. But basically, you just captured your solution that you drew on paper, and now you can take that image and insert it into your free response, your written response. So let me go back to your practice or your quiz, and this is where you want to insert your image. So click on the camera. The file is on your computer. You want to upload the file from your computer, and where you want to browse to, it's not on your desktop unless you moved it and put it there, but if you go under pictures, I have a lot of files here. There should be, you probably won't have this many, but if you go down, there's a camera roll. So under your pictures folder on your computer, there's a camera roll. That's automatic where those pictures go. So I only have one here. So I'll click on that and I'll hit add. There it is. It says win. And then there's the name of the file, the picture. Again, if you've seen some of my other videos, you do not have to give an alternative text here. Just hit this image is decorative. Okay, and there you go. There is a picture of your solution. And if you notice, the picture is not backwards anymore. Okay, it looks backwards when you put it up to the camera, but once you take a picture of it, it's in the right order. And finish the rest of your questions. Hit the submit button and I'll be able to view the image that you inserted in order to grade that written response.